Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Juliet Okeke, the girl that loves interesting gist, this gist teller, the story lover. Guys, so the long awaited basketballs of the lockdown season has finally come because I've been waiting. Like, these people, do they know that they are here for a competition? All this plenty love that they are doing, and then after our baby rubber have called them fake, I was now looking out to see the fake people, and today, finally they cleared the air. So Wathoni and Katarina, they decided to fight in the house today. So this is what happened. Biggie came today and was like, did I just say Biggie came today? Okay, Biggie asked them to go in and change into their Betway outfits, and come up for the game. And then he grouped them into two: Team Wathoni, which is Team Black also, and then Team Nengi, which is Team White. And in Team Wathoni, we have Lilo, Bright, Prince, Tochi, Erika, Kid Wire, Tricky T. And then in Group Nengi, we have Praise, Ozo, Lekon, Tola, Nibaj, Eric, Katrina, Lucy, and Nengi herself. So, the game was still like yesterday's game, same rules. People, they divided them into two, and then you pick a card and then say something. You don't choose, you don't get to change a question. Once you've picked an answer, that is it. So the same rule. And then something happened along the line. People were really getting upset. Before, anytime they give them game, everybody would be happy, doing the games together. But today, it was a different thing. Everybody was just upset with each other, be one another today. So people were just upset. But then Wathoni called Katerina, and then Katerina was like, who called me? In her tone, she was like, she wanted to have a conversation. It was as if she wanted to have a conversation with the person that called her. But then Wathoni was like, I am the one that called you, and so if I called you, what can you do? In a confrontation or confrontatory manner. So Katrina at that point, fled up, and then they went on a break and came back. The game was over, and then Katrina was screaming and screaming on top of her voice. Katarina was screaming on top of her voice. So Wathoni at the other side, she was so sad. She was almost crying. She was shivering. It seems like when she's angry, she just cries. She wanted to cry. So some people like Tricky T and I think Tricky T, Kid Wire, went in to console Katarina. I was like, calm down. And then Wathoni, she had Dorothy to herself, Prince, and then Lucy telling her that she shouldn't have confronted someone, that it is actually not right for her to confront someone, and besides, anything could happen. The person could fight back, and then she could get disqualified, and there's a taxi outside always waiting for you to get disqualified and to take you home and all of that. So they kept on telling her that she shouldn't have done this. And Prince finally came to Wathoni personally, because after they talked to her, they left. Then Prince came in to talk to her personally. I was like, you shouldn't have done that, it's not worth it, and all of that. After Prince talked to Wathoni, she calmed down, and then she shared up, but she was like, she's not going to eat Katrina's food again. Okay, so Lucy, on the other hand, was just adding sprinkles of pepper and salt to the whole matter. She went to Katrina and was like, Katrina was like, what actually happened? Like, what even happened that Wathoni had to talk to me like that? And if people see me on TV now shouting, they'll think I'm the bad person, And Lucy was like, hey, all these fake people. Guys, I've been waiting for this thing, these basketballs. Like, these people, they are too friendly, and deep down in their hearts, it's not as if they are so friendly with each other like that. Now they are bringing out the ginger in them, and the game is getting hotter. Guys, what do you feel about today's whole drama? The drama was really hot. I liked it, and I just don't want them to physically fight, because I don't want anybody to go home so early just like that. You get me? So guys, did you see this video of Keisha? As in, when I saw this video, I was like, whoa, girl, what's up now, guys? This kind of video cannot be played here. So guys, see you next time. Remember to stay tuned on this channel. Please click the red button to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Come back next time. I love you. Bye.